this is the VitalSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece. It is totally custom sizable and adjustable. Look at it. Da-da-da. Got your instruction manuals, got the mouthpiece, and the little adjuster. This is a little screwdriver adjuster for getting into the perfect position with bringing your jaw more forward, your lower jaw, so as you're not snoring. So open him up. There he is before I set it specifically for my teeth. It is fitted by heating in hot water for 60 seconds to provide custom teeth impressions. Then you drop it into cold water for 30 seconds and it's set just specifically for you. It's made in USA, California. It comes in 2 sizes, with the smaller size made primarily for women's smaller mouthers. And this one, well, this one's for me, for my big mouth. And it's a patented Accu-Adjust System. That's with this little fella here. Provides precise jaw placement for a personalized fit. And its advanced comfort is created by having this blue mold area here. It will adjust to your teeth after you've placed it in the hot water. So that easy fitting process provides a custom molded fit for your comfort. It's effective. The VitalSleep is FDA cleared to reduce snoring for improved breathing and healthier sleep. And my wife is very excited for me to not be keeping her awake all night snoring logs. So the VitalSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece, it's backed by a 60-night, 100% money-back guarantee. The adjustable anti-snoring mouthpiece with its patented Accu-Adjust System holds your lower jaw forward to keep the airway clear and alleviate snoring. So absolutely fantastic.